キングっていう漫画を見て、そのポリシーっていうのがあるんだなって思って、それでポリシーになりたいって思って札幌出てきた感じですね。
The other day I got an email, almost didn't read it, but something caught my eye right before I could delete it. It was bold and underlined, please read was the title, followed by Jake, you are my idol. It said, and I quote, my name is Nikki and I used to be a dancer, until the doctor diagnosed me with cancer. So I said goodbye to all the hair on my head, and hello to my hospital bed. Yeah, see I was just a normal girl.
堀内さんは厳しいけど優しくて、思いやりがあって、すごく尊敬できる人ですね。仕事も妥協しないし、自分を奮い立たせて、毎日仕事してるなって思います。今後の夢はやっぱりずっとこう堀市を続けていくことと、もっともっといい作品を撮りたいなと思ってるし、あとは有名になりたいですね。いつもみんなのこと気にかけてくれてて、すごい助けられてるし、尊敬もしてます。で、仕事でもそうなんですけども、プライベートでも、結構構ってもらってるんで、ずっとこの先堀内さんとはつながっていたいなと思ってます。これからもよろしくお願いします。I was sitting at my table at dinner the other night when I noticed a little girl sitting to my right. She was looking at me like she knew me. I guess she did, cause then she walked right up to me and then she said, my name is Sammy and I swear that I'm your biggest fan. I think she even had my name written on her hand. She said me and my brother used to listen to you every day until last year when he passed away. I'll never forget seeing my parents cry when they got the call saying that your son had died. Man, I wish that he was here now. You were his favorite. He had your mixtape and he never stopped playing it. Your music gives me a feeling that I just can't describe. It's like I got my brother back and he's still alive. I pray for both of you every single night, cause believe it or not, you saved my life. I've met a million people, been a million places, shook a million hands, seen a million faces, had a million lows and a million more highs. No, I haven't made a million, but I've touched a million lives. Met a million people, been a million places, shook a million hands, seen a million faces, had a million lows and a million more highs. No, I haven't made a million, but I now let me turn the table and talk to you. I had a dream, but you're the reason that it's coming true. Yeah, I've had some dark days when the sun don't shine, but you always reminded me that I would be fine, cause when no one else cared, you believed in my